Ever dreamt of a life where AI has your back, making every second count? Imagine you, AI, and a world where productivity reigns supreme. Enter Nvidia's game-changing AI innovation, a leap into a reality where chores vanish like magic tricks, worries take a back seat, and virtual meetings. Oh, they're smoother than your favorite dance moves, ushering us into a future that's AI-powered and full of surprises. Generative AI, unleashing human-like creativity. Tech enthusiast, have you ever wished for an AI that dishes creativity like a hot pizza? Well, guess what? Generative AI is the cool kid on the block, churning out mind-blowing tunes, eye-popping visuals, and real-world wonders. Say hello to Nvidia's game-changing Ace Avatar Cloud Engine, your golden ticket to an alternative universe of creativity. Let's look more closely into the electrifying world of generative AI. AI-powered avatars that speak, listen, and even mimic your every move. It's like having your digital twin, but cooler. We're talking speech recognition that's on point, text-to-speech magic, and an AI that gets your vibes like your BFF. Plus a sprinkle of ray tracing, it's a sci-fi movie come to life. The AI revolution is here and bringing the party to every pixel. Get ready to dance with the machines. The methods through which the groundbreaking Ace Avatar Cloud Engine pushes the boundaries of human creativity include 1. Animation AI. Are avatars busting moves in real life, fueled by your vids and voice? Enter the mind-bending Audio Two-Face Generative AI. This wicked 3D animation wizardry brings characters alive in places like Unreal Engine, all from a single audio snippet. It's not just tech, it's turning game time into mind-blowing, face-morphing fun. 2. Speech AI. Nvidia Riva's tech is about to turn your avatars into chatty geniuses. The world of avatars that shoot the breeze with you like your trusty friend. Get ready for some mind-blowing, real-time chatty wizardry. But wait, there's more. These language whizzes can take your words and whip up translations in 14 languages, from English to Chinese. Oh, and get this. They morph text into speech so smoothly, it's like hiring a human voice actor. Behold the multilingual maestros. These avatars are the ultimate translation virtuosos, capable of effortlessly converting between English, Spanish, Mandarin, Russian, German, and French. Language barriers? Consider them obliterated. Avatars just went from cool to out-of-this-world cool. 3. Generative AI. Develop self-reliant and intelligent avatars using pre-trained generative AI language models. Nvidia NeMo provides essential language models and tools for adjusting models to fit specific uses, such as gaming. Employing NeMo guardrails introduces programmable regulations to ensure avatars are precise, suitable, on-topic, and secure. 4. Universal scene description. Time to turbocharge those avatars. NeMo steps in as their personal style guru, like a fashion-forward fairy godparent. Guardrails? They're the cool bouncers at the virtual party, making things stay awesome. And universal scene description? It's the Disneyland for avatars. Build, play, conquer. Get ready to rock those avatars. Revolutionizing wireless and video communications. Tired of those pixelated video calls? Well, Nvidia's got a magic wand ready to rock your world. Say bye-bye to buffering and hello to instant, crystal-clear awesomeness. It's like going from a tricycle to a rocket ship in communication. Expect to experience buffer-free brilliance and dive into the wireless wonder era. Here's the scoop on Nvidia's Maxine, a toolkit that doesn't just enhance audio and video quality, but also breaks language barriers. Yep, Maxine's shaking up communications across the board. And it's not just for tech pros. If you're a content creator, get ready to supercharge your stuff with AI magic. Think of saying goodbye to background noise, leveling up resolution, and boosting eye contact. Prepare yourself for immersive experiences that'll have your audience hooked from start to finish. Listen up, folks. Prepare to witness a language revolution like never before. Say hello to Maxine's Interpreter feature. your ticket to becoming a real-time multilingual marvel. Envisage switching from Russian to English is quicker than your morning coffee kick. But wait, there's more. Maxine is wielding some impressive audio magic. Audio Super Resolution, the ultimate upgrade your podcasts have been begging for. Say goodbye to lackluster sound quality because the Maxine client is like a virtual meeting makeover guru. Think of it as Photoshop for video calls, turning you into the sharpest looking character in the room. Now we're going 3D, my friend. Maxine's conjuring up a whole new dimension, transforming your webcam into an interactive 3D experience. Get ready to step into the future with eye-popping innovations. The game changer is here. It's not just about tweaking videos. It's about a new way of connecting. Evolve into a future of seamless communication with Maxine. Imagine AI-driven upgrades, crystal clear sound, and language skills that break barriers. Maxine's evolving, and the possibilities are endless. We're talking about next-level interaction and innovation. So gear up for the communication revolution with Nvidia's Maxine. Your digital world is about to transform. Supercharging computer graphics with AI. Remember the dark ages of computer graphics when things were so basic they made stick figures look high-tech? Well, those days are deader than disco. Say hello to computer graphics on steroids. And no, I'm not talking about a gym for pixels. We're talking real-time ray tracing that's so sharp that your eyeballs might need sunglasses. Special effects that make Hollywood jealous? Check. Computer graphics have evolved from finger paintings to Picasso-level masterpieces. A while ago, I was hanging out with my buddy Jake, all pumped up for a gaming showdown. But guess what? Mid-battle, boom, pixely chaos strikes. Jake's avatar? It looked like abstract art gone wild. We laughed so hard we could have powered a city. Now, fast forward to Gamescom 2023. The buzz is real. Nvidia just pulled off the ultimate mic drop moment. I'm about to drop the bomb. DLSS 3.5, the turbocharged dream upgrade. It's like Nvidia's tech wizards went on an AI spree. Imagine this, the mind-bending ray-traced graphics you drool over, now sprinkle them with AI magic. And oh boy, those pesky pixely glitches that crashed Jake's gaming bash? Poof, vanished. DLSS 3.5's ray reconstruction is the magician behind hyper-realistic images. Here comes a tech avalanche. What's the deal? It's like reality hit the gym and got a glow-up. Have you ever played a game and wished the characters had feelings? Well, guess what? Now they're practically writing you love letters with Nemo Steer LM. And cloud gaming? It's not just fast. It's whoosh, I'm already winning fast. Picture playing games from a server further than your last snack run. Alan Wake 2 and Cyberpunk 2077 are about to get a Hollywood makeover. Tech fiends, get ready. The buzz is real and the ride is wild. In a nutshell, Nvidia is revolutionizing gaming with the power of AI. They're taking graphics to a new level, making visuals breathtaking and characters more real. Plus, their cloud gaming stuff is getting seriously cool. Nvidia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of gaming innovation is pretty awesome. The future is here, 1 million times faster. Can you believe how crazy fast technology is moving? In just 5 years, we've made computer graphics and AI 1 million times better. Yeah, 1 million times. Things are changing like crazy. It's like a new era of progress that will shape up everything around us. Get ready to be blown away by super cool breakthroughs that are making the future happen right now. AI isn't just about upgrading the game. It's rewriting the rulebook at warp speed. Remember when cloud stuff and smartphones dropped jaws? Well, AI took those, added rocket boosters, and zoomed off. It's kicking down boundaries and turning sci-fi flicks into our daily dose of reality. And guess what? No need to fret about robots taking over. Let's high-five AI for boosting our superhero skills instead. Imagine doing the unimaginable. It's like having a cosmic genie on speed dial. We're riding the AI comet, grabbing every jaw-dropping chance it flings our way. Ready for the tech ride of your life? Let's dance with AI and groove to the rhythm of innovation. Prepare to uncover how the GPU dominance isn't solely a victory for gamers, but an asset for industries too. 1. Abundance of features. The tech extravaganza is just beginning. Prepare yourself for features that'll make techies high-five their screens. Dive into a realm where 3D visions, shield capability, and gaming galore are the norm. Whether you're a tech Jedi or already rocking cool gadgets, this is your tech amusement park, where the future of fun meets the present of play. So, party people, the tech universe is about to show how to boogie with gadgets. Get ready to geek out and groove in this tech-tastic wonderland. 2. Efficiency and optimized performance. Get ready to turbocharge your tech realm. Those graphic cards, they're like the superheroes of efficiency, armed with GPUs so exceptional they make other tech green with envy. It's all thanks to drivers that have been tinkered with by tech wizards. Talk about a magic touch. And the payoff? Gains and apps that run smoother than a buttered slide. Say goodbye to glitches and hello to an experience that is smoother than a slick dance move. 3. Unlocking gaming bliss with G-Sync. Gamers, come closer. Ever heard of the G-Sync move? It's like Nvidia's secret dance move for gamers. While others stumble, G-Sync glides, delivering performance and motion like a gaming maestro. Imagine a spell that banishes screen hiccups and blips during your gaming extravaganza. The twist? You might need a G-Sync ready screen. Some call it the tech twist, but the prize is golden. Gaming nirvana without the glitches. 4. Unmatched driver support. Tired of those driver dramas crashing your gaming party? Well, here's where the magic happens. Driver support, and guess what? They're like the smooth operators of the gaming realm, ensuring your compatibility and performance dance to a flawless tune. Oh, and here's the secret sauce. Game developers often give a little nod to their hardware, turning your gameplay into a symphony of smoothness. Now, I know some alternatives might tempt your wallet, but when the spotlight's on, this tech is still the showstopper. So, Pixel Warriors, choose your gaming steed wisely. It's not just about the money, it's about that sweet victory dance on the driver issue-free stage. 5. Tech that cares about people and the planet. This tech revelation is about to blow your mind. But guess what? This isn't just about dazzling tech. It's about making a real impact on the world. I'm talking about everything from solving social issues to pioneering medical breakthroughs and even championing the environment. It's like taking a page out of superhero comics and turning it into reality. That's not all. There's this incredible program called Inspire 365 that's all about their tech wizards giving back. It's like turning their technological superpowers into real-world superhero deeds, volunteering, and supporting fantastic causes. While some companies are all about the latest gadgets, this one is on a mission to improve the world, step by step, with each groundbreaking tech innovation. So if you've ever wondered about the impact of technology on our world, Nvidia stands as a perfect illustration. They're not just inventing, but using innovation for positive change, enhancing lives. Their belief in the power of collaboration to achieve remarkable feats is inspiring. And remember, if you found this as intriguing as we did, give it a thumbs up, share it, and drop a comment. Be sure to catch the upcoming video. Thanks for tuning in.